now I'm gonna paint this up here. I fixed my wall, but now I'm gonna paint it, or it won't have to look like this anymore, like a sheetrock. So yeah, after I finish this, it's gonna look nice. Well, I finished the wall, and this is exactly what I've done. And this is how the wall is looking now. It looks better. It doesn't look like it's been messed up or damaged at all. This is sheetrock. I painted it over, so now it looks way better. Now I'm about to put up these posters that I have here. I have a lot of posters that I wanted to put up a long time ago, and now that I finished getting my wall done, now I can hang them up. So let me get to work. Okay, so I finally hanged up all my pictures, and this is what I have. I love these Marios. This is awesome. Got my Fortnite up there. I might switch. I love this as well. Let's see. Sorry for the blurriness. But I might put this one all the way up here and put that one down there. So yeah, this is the wall that I refixed and stuff.